Welcome back, children. So in the previous video we saw how to subtract without borrowing. Now we will do some word problems on that. Okay, children? First word problem. See, look into your worksheet. A toy cost rupees 349. What was the cost of the toy? Rupees 349. A child has only rupees 231. How much is the child having in his hand? He is having only rupees 231. What is the cost of the toy? Rupees 349. What is the question? How much more money does he need to buy the toy? How much more money does he need to buy the toy? Is he having enough money to buy the toy, children? No, he is having only 231 rupees, isn't it? But what is the cost of the toy? Cost of the toy is 349. So he doesn't have enough money. So that is the question. How much more money does he need? More money. How much more money does he need to buy the toy? Again, how much more money does he need to buy the toy? He has to get some more money to buy the toy. So that is the question. How much more he has to get? He has to go ask his father and mother. I need some more money to buy this toy, isn't it? So that amount, how much he has to take from his parents, how much he is going to ask his parents, that is what you have to find out. For that, what will we do, children? What should we do here to get that amount? Will you add or will you subtract? You have to subtract, children. As soon as you see more, don't think it is addition, okay? How much more or how much less? How many more? How many less? How much less? If these type of questions come, keep in mind it is subtraction. Okay. How much more? How much less? How many more? Okay. All these come under the come under subtraction. Okay, children. So here they are asking you how much more money does he need to buy that toy? He is having only 231 with him. But he wants to buy a toy which is costing 349. So to find out that amount, how much more money does he need, we have to subtract. Okay, children? So first statement, what will be the first statement? Cost of the toy, rupees 349. Okay, cost of the toy, rupees 349. Then amount, a child has only rupees 200. The amount the child has. Amount the child has. How much is the child having in hand? 231. So question is, how much more money does he need? So you will write more money. More money he needs. More money he needs. What you have to do? You have to minus rupees. Now tell me the answer, children. 9 minus 1? Yes, it is 8. 4 minus 3? Yes, it is 1. 3 minus 2? Again it is 1. So he has to get 118 rupees from his parents. Then only he can buy that car. He is having 231 with him. He needs 118 rupees more to buy that car. So when you have questions like this, how much more, or if you have how much less, or how many more, all these come under subtraction. Okay, children? You just have to keep that in mind. If you see more, don't think it is addition. Okay? Okay, moving into the next question. What would be left? We know in subtraction we use this word left, isn't it? What would be left if 241 is taken away from 652? What will be left if 241 is taken away from 652? I have told you in the beginning, the word from is very important in subtraction. The number that comes after the word from. The number that comes after the word from will be your first number in subtraction. Okay children, the number that comes after the word from is your first number in subtraction. You have to keep that in mind. Okay children. So which is our first number here? 652, because it is coming after the word from. What was the question? What would be left? What is going to be left if you take away 241 from 652? Okay children. So you will write first number. First number is 652. Okay. Second number. What's the second number? Taken away. The number which is taken away, that is 241. You minus. So, what is left away means it is the difference, the answer that you want. So, you can write as difference over here. Difference will be 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 4, again 1. 6 minus 2, yes, 4. So, what is going to be left away? 411 will be left when 241 is taken away from 652. Okay, children? Move on to the next question. Sheila has 3657 stamps. Children, you have to read with me, okay? Sheila has 3657 stamps and Rita has 2435 stamps. Who has more stamps and how many more? Who has more stamps and how many more? That is a question. Sheila has 3657 stamps. Rita is having 2435 stamps. Who is having more? Yes, Sheila is having more. She is having more than Rita, isn't it? Then, there is one more question in this. How many more? How many more she is having than Rita? Sheila is having how many more stamps than Rita? That is the question. So, how to find out? There is a difference between them, isn't it? So, you have to minus, isn't it children? How many more? How many more stamps is Sheila having than Rita? That is the question. Okay children? So, you have to, what do you have to do? Come on children, what do you have to do? You have to minus. Very good. So, write the statement. Number of stamps Sheila has. How many stamps Sheila is having? 3657. Yes. Next statement. Number of stamps Rita has. How many stamps Rita is having? 2435. So, who's having more stamps? Sheila has more stamps. So, you answered the first one. Who has more stamps? Sheila has more stamps. And how many more? How many more stamps? So, you have to write Sheila has more stamps. How many more? You have to minus and get the answer. 7 minus 5, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So, Sheila is having how many more stamps than Rita? Sheila is having 1222 stamps more than Rita. Okay. So, Sheila has, okay, I will just rearrange the statement. You can write it like this children. Instead of writing more there, you can write Sheila has 1222 stamps more than Rita. I just rearrange the statement. So, you can write for both the questions, you can write in one statement. Okay, you'll minus, you'll get the answer. So, Sheila has 1222 stamps more than Rita. So, for both the questions, I have given you one statement. Okay, children, understood? Shall we go to the next question? Okay, children, next question is also a similar type. There are 6,789 people in village A and 4,532 people in village B. Which village has more people and how many more? So, you will write it like this: number of people in village A, number of people in village B, then which village is having more and how many more. You can write together like this in one statement. Okay. So, you will do it. Okay, children. Then question 5. Seema had 978 marbles. She lost 356. How many marbles left with her? How do you find that? Yes, you will minus. So, what is the first statement? Number of marbles Seema had. Second statement, number of marbles she lost. Third statement, number of marbles left with her. And you have to minus and write the answer. So, question 4 and 5 you will do it on your own. Okay, children. Now, the next question. Find a number by which 345 is smaller than 893. Find a number by which 345 is smaller than 893. What do you have to do here? You have to minus, isn't it? You have to find a number which is 345 smaller than this. Okay. So, here also we don't have any statements to write. So, you can write first number. This will be the first number, the bigger one, 893. Second number. What is the second number? 345. Minus it. What's the question? Find a number by which 345 is smaller than 893. So, what will be the answer? For answer, you can write the word as difference. Difference. What's the answer? Okay. See, children, here you will have to borrow. There is one number here, 3 minus 5. You cannot minus, isn't it? So, what you will do? You will borrow from 9. This becomes 8. And here it becomes 13. 3 becomes 13. So, what is 13 minus 5? From 5 you count till 13. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You get 8. So, answer is 8. Okay. Then 8 minus 4, it is 4. 8 minus 3, it is 5. We have got one question with borrowing. Doesn't matter. Next section is the borrowing section. So, that time I will teach you once again. Okay. So, this is how we borrow and then you will get the answer as 548. So, the answer is 548. Okay, children. Clear? Are you clear with the word problems? You have to read word problems again and again before you answer it. Okay, children. Thank you.